with the big number 1 right here. That's Jeanne Schwartz. I mean, we're already on the bike and we're riding along and everything. Now, I'm setting my notes here. It just says quotations Jeopardy, end quotations. I don't know if that's Jeanne's nickname. I don't know if we go by Jeanne Jeopardy Schwartz. I'm not sure. But Jeanne, on this first birthday kiddo, you go get him. She's in Fredonia.
Maybe she's watching Jeopardy while she's riding her bike.
Ooh, that could be. That could be.
She's intently looking.
No, you may be right about that.
I don't know. Let's see, we've got out in Fredonia, Gwendolyn Huser turning 5 years old this year.
Do you want to do it? You can tell her. What is she doing?
She is outstanding in her field.
Yeah, you are, Gwendolyn. Yeah, you are. That's a cool shirt, too. I like that.
That's pretty cool, though. Nice picture.
Cooper Franklin got a 7th birthday, little Gerard Trojan pride right there. Footballed up, ready to rock. A happy 7th Cooper in Gerard.
I like that 98 letter jacket that he's sitting on. I wonder if that's Dad's. That's pretty cool. All right, we've got Isabella Harrison turning 10 years old. Awesome picture there in Pittsburgh.
Awesome picture, awesome name. I have always loved that name right there. Happy birthday, Miss Isabella. Brendan Thompson, he has a 15th birthday. Now, Sir Brendan, he is in Oswego. And Brendan, I want you to know that these birthday wishes come with love from Mom and Dad.
All right, Savannah Barry turning 18 years old this year. Savannah celebrating. Oop, it doesn't have a location, my bad. Happy birthday, Savannah.
One family's got, they got busy birthday week/weekend ahead of them because Shelby Jones, she's celebrating her 20th birthday. And Shelby, a very happy birthday to you in Fredonia. And Shelby probably just as happy to share that birthday with one Paisley Abbott, who's turning 3. Now, Paisley's in Iola, but here's the connection. Miss Paisley just happens to be the niece of one Shelby Jones.
That's cool.
So very happy birthday to both Shelby and Paisley.
All right, Daniel Carpenter celebrated birthday number 30 on Saturday down in Quapaw, Oklahoma. Happy birthday, Daniel.
Let's run out to Oswego because that's where Tyler Dryling is celebrating his 45th birthday. Tyler, have a marvelous, marvelous birthday week.
All right, and with love from the family, going out to Tony Irwin, who's now 64 years old. Looks like you were somewhere really cool recently.
That's a very vibrant picture.
I like it. Tony is in Carthage, but not in that picture.
That's cool. Darlena Turner, speaking of very vibrant pictures, beautiful picture of Miss Darlene right there. She celebrates number 67. Darlena, happy birthday in Humboldt.
All right. And
yeah, we got one over.
Yeah, we got a little rerun here for Miss Carol Saporito, who recently celebrated birthday number 75 in Columbus.
Now that's called a celebration right there. That's how you do it for Miss Carol.
You know, she had a big party. She had a big party.
That's good stuff. I love that. Carol, thank you for that picture. I knew we'd get one. Benny Phipps celebrating number 85. Benny, a very happy birthday to you. He is celebrating in Pittsburgh.
All right. In Columbus, Ben and Alicia Drake are celebrating 24 years together. Congratulations to the Drakers.
William and Joyce Haynes are celebrating their 41st anniversary. Now, William and Joyce, I want you to know that these anniversary wishes come with love from Josie, Chris, Serena, and Danielle. William and Joyce, they are in Chanute.
All right. And Terry and Michelle Hildbrand are celebrating birthday number 53.
Who's that on the
or
right?
Or anniversary number 53. They're in Chitopa.
That gentleman on the right was not there 53 years ago. Great picture of Terry and Michelle.
How do you know that?
I'm just telling you, that dude on the right, he was not there 53 years ago when they were wedded.
Probably not.
Terry and Michelle, if I'm wrong about that and you have photographic proof, let me know. How great would that be? Somebody's going to send it. Somebody's going to Photoshop a picture of Terry and Michelle on their wedding day.
Rusty was there.
That'd be great. That'd be great. Congratulations, Terry and Michelle. That is phenomenal. Linda Stark, celebrating her 67th. Happy birthday to Linda in Columbus. Jean Fowler with a birthday. Happy birthday to Jean in Miami. And Christine Curran, she is celebrating her 89th. Miss Curran, a very happy birthday to you in Altamont.
We've got Jim Vaughn turning 76 years old this year.
Wait. Is that who I think it is, that next one?
Yep. Jim is in Crestline. And the next one's coming from Columbus. And Michael's looking upset because we don't have a picture of Miss Aretha Schultz.
It's because I love that woman to death.
Aretha is 84 this year.
I love that woman to death.
And Ashley Huddleston in Parsons, happy birthday.
Edith Scott, a very happy. I'll read it, Aretha. I'm gonna come back to find out about that picture, but I want you to know that we all love you and everything that you've done for us. Edith Scott, a very happy birthday in the Berg, and Madeline Hale, up to the big 3-0. Madeline, a very happy birthday to you in Columbus, and Madeline, please know, birthday wishes, special birthday wishes coming from Grandma and Grandpa. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this November the 29th. Perhaps you celebrated over the weekend, in which case, Tanya gives me carte blanche to carry it into this week as well. That's where you can send them into birthdays at koamtv.com or go to our website, koamnewsnow.com. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.